today I want to share with you and show you, first of all, the new Celebration catalogues coming out come January. So will the new mini catalogue will be coming out. So I'm going to give you a sneak preview. I can't show you inside, but what I can do is show you the front, which, as I said, inside is gorgeous. There's lots to order. So here goes, everybody, showing you the new catalogues. This is the mini catalogue, which will be coming out on January 2022. Look at I love to show you what's inside, but I'm not allowed to. But as from the 1st of December, if you require any of these catalogues or you want to join my team, you can do so now to join. You'll get your own catalogue. But if you want to order anything from the 1st of December as a demonstrator, that will be the pre-order. I hope I've made sense. So the celebration, this is where we get all the free goodies, as you can see. Getting a little sneak preview. As I said, I can't show you inside, but what I can show you is that this is worth it. Every £45 you spend, you get a free gift. So who doesn't want to have some of that? So my first purchase is called the Rainbow of Happiness bundle. Oh, it is so gorgeous. I can't wait to use this this suite. Buying them together. Take a look at the dies. They're amazing. And this is called the Rainbow of Happiness suite bundle. As there's you can buy them separately or you can buy them together. But, you know, tell me what you think. Leave some comments down below. The next bundle that I purchased was called the Honeybee Home Bundle. And man, I can't wait to get to use that, because I, on stage, we managed to just take a look at that. Lovely texture. Yeah, I can't wait to come with some beautiful dies. Those what the dies look like, so we can have a real good play of those. And with that, I also got some doilies, and it comes in blue, looks like grey, and it's nice. I hope you can see that well. And we managed to get some these cute butterflies. It's exciting what we can make with that. And I got some ribbon to go with it. And look at that, it's like a denim. Let's get in focus here. So it's like a denim. It's beautiful. So yeah, look at that, that looks great, doesn't it? Also, I got for free, because I attended on stage, this amazing silhouette. It's called Silhouettes. So that would be interesting to actually use this wonderful. Not something I thought I would get myself, but it does come with dies also. So it's called the Amazing Silhouettes. So as I said to you, with the new celebration starting for tomorrow, on the 1st of December, we get some free items, and this is one of the free items when you spend £45. If you want to know about Celebration and you want a new catalogue, just drop me a line. My links will be down below, my email will be down below. Get in touch. But these are some free items. It said every £45, but there's some amazing stuff. You can get some amazing